In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert audio in PowerPoint step by step. Whether you want to add background music, narration, sound effects, or a ringtone to make your presentation more engaging, this simple method will help you do it quickly and correctly. Adding audio can make your slides more dynamic and professional, especially for school projects, business presentations, or online courses. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can open an existing presentation where you want to add audio, or you can create a new blank presentation if you're just practicing. Once PowerPoint is open and your slide is visible on the screen, navigate to the top menu area called the ribbon. At the top of the screen, click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab contains all the options for adding different types of content to your slide, such as images, shapes, videos, and audio. After clicking Insert, look toward the right-hand side of the ribbon where you'll find the Media group. Inside the Media group, click on Audio. When you click on Audio, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, choose the option that allows you to insert audio from your device. As soon as you click it, the Insert Audio dialog box will open on your screen. Now you need to locate the audio file you want to use. In the dialog box, navigate to the folder where your audio file is saved. For most people, this will be the Downloads folder, so you can click on Downloads in the left-hand panel. If your file is saved somewhere else, simply browse to that specific folder. Once you're inside the correct folder, find and select your audio file. This could be a ringtone file, an MP3 file, a WAV file, or any supported audio format. Click on the file once to highlight it, and then click on the Insert button at the bottom of the dialog box. As soon as you click Insert, PowerPoint will place an audio icon directly onto your slide workspace. This icon represents the audio file you just added. Don't worry if it appears in the center of the slide by default. That's completely normal. If you want to reposition the audio icon, simply click on it, hold down your mouse button, and drag it to any area of the slide. You can place it in a corner, along the bottom, or anywhere that fits your slide design. Adjusting the position helps keep your slide layout clean and organized. At this point, your audio has successfully been inserted into the slide. You can click the play button to test the sound and make sure it's working properly. From there, you can also explore additional playback options in the toolbar, such as setting the audio to start automatically or when clicked, depending on how you want it to behave during your presentation. And that's it. That's exactly how you insert audio in PowerPoint quickly and easily. As you can see, the process is straightforward once you know where to click. Adding audio can dramatically improve the quality and engagement level of your presentation. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.